friends, yuk fokus dulu. Info terkini untuk semua. My name is Zoe Benefisim and I'm from 5C.
My name is Dylan Moses Gunawan and I'm from 5E. We are the winners of the Abang None competition from last year.
Today we have some exciting news to share with you.
Welcome to the amazing event,
Jakarta, my province.
province.
Today we're inviting you all to watch and enjoy all the fun activities and performances we prepared.
There are so many unique acts from my friends from grade 4 today, including
The performance by Electric Dance,
drama,
performance by 4A and 4D,
Jolly Jolly Song,
performance by 4B and 4E,
Kicir Kicir,
and performance by 4C and 4F.
Lenggang Kangkung Song, and the Abang None competition.
Wow, I'm so excited to see all these amazing performances.
But before we begin, let's take some time to chat with a few people. Come along with us. Halo Ii,
Hai.
siapa namanya?
Aku maminya Belen dari kelas 4E.
Oke, kami akan menanyakan sedikit pertanyaan ya.
Kenapa II memikirkan acara-acara seperti ini adalah penting?
Karena kan kita tinggal di kota Jakarta ya, acara kayak gini tuh menarik banget. Jadi anak-anak juga tahu kayak misalnya ada ondel-ondel, makanan kerak telur dan lain-lain.
Dari yang semua penampilan hari ini, yang mana yang paling bagus untuk Ii?
Yang acara kompetisi pemilihan Abang None ya itu juga bisa jadi motivasi anak-anak. Siapa tahu kedepannya mereka mau jadi kandidat Abang None tahun yang akan datang.
Excuse me, do you mind if I ask you for your name?
My name is Alexa Nicolin from 4D.
Today, I hope you don't mind that we're going to ask you a few questions starting with
What song did you dance to today?
Ondel. Okay. What did you prepare for today's performance and how long did it take?
It took around like 6 months.
Okay. How did you feel after performing in front of so many people?
Nervous.
After performing today, what did you feel about today's event? Was it fun? Was it boring? Or was it easy or difficult?
It's just like easy and it's quite nerve-wracking, and I'm a bit happy after I'm already done with the performance.
Hi Miss, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Miss Ziva.
My name is Ervi.
Okay, Miss Ervi, do you mind if we ask you a few questions?
Of course not. To be my guest.
Starting off, why do you think events like this are important?
This event, of course, it is important because it preserves historical of Betawi culture.
Well, I think this kind of events is important because it is such a good opportunity for every people, teachers, students, parents, to know better about Betawi culture. Since we live here, sometimes we don't know about the culture, so this is a great opportunity for us to know more about Betawi.
Out of all the performances today, which one stood out to you the most?
I think every performances are good, but one that stands out the most, I think, is Abang None.
It's hard to say because every part is important. But if I have to choose over things, it's not easy to. But I think all the students here try to perform their best.
Can you give us one word to describe JEPET 2025?
Amazing.
Spectacular.
Do you think that everyone did an amazing job today?
Of course, ever since we had the practice, they always did their best, including when they perform at the stage.
If you don't mind, what is the meaning of that roti buaya?
Oh, this one. Oh, this is what we call it roti buaya. Roti buaya is given from the groom to the bride as the symbols of love and faithful.
Hi Abang None, do you mind telling me your names?
Of course. Hi, I'm Non Ignatia.
And I'm Bang Saiful.
Do you mind if we ask you a few questions first?
No, let's do it.
Starting off, do you think being an Abang None fits you?
Of course, it's sweet for us because it develop our confidence, our public speaking, and also experience.
What do you do in an Abang None competition? List everything.
All right. So in the Abang None competition, even though it is like a competition, it's actually a place for learning for us. So in the quarantine, it consists a lot of learning about the Betawi culture, and then we do a lot of Q&A to establish our critical thinking skills, and we practice a lot of different cultural stuff like Nandak, which is our dancing. So that is in a nutshell what we do. And even though it is a competition and it might be intimidating at first, it is actually a place where we empower one another and where we support our batch. And in the end, I think we become like a very united people in this competition. Yeah, I would say it's a place where you establish connection.
As an Abang None, what are your jobs?
Actually, we execute and develop the program from government city, especially in tourism and economic creative, and also our culture, Betawi pride.
Will you remember this event even in the future?
Of course. So I think when we were watching, we were very amazed with a lot of this different abang none from Sekolah Dian Harapan, and I think in the future it sort of inspire us to empower a lot of younger kids better and to also participate in these kinds of events better because we do think that preservation of culture definitely comes from a young age and everyone can do it, so we empower everyone who wish to do it and we are more than happy. And me personally, I would definitely remember it in years to come.
Okay, thank you for answering our questions.
Juara pertama dimenangkan oleh Abang None dari Jakarta Barat. Tepuk tangan dong sekali lagi.
Thank you, friends, for joining us today.
And congratulations to the Abang and None that got chosen this year.
See you at the next focus.